So I'm starting with multiple choice questions. Everyone on mute. Okay, multiple choice is difficult. Yes, it is difficult. So please, listen to me carefully. And then when we will do multiple choice, when we will do actually do practice also, I will repeat it for you. Okay, what happens in multiple choice? You get a question over here and you have to select one of the right option. Okay. Sometimes what happens as you go through the multiple choice questions, they will either ask for one or two. So the question will actually specify that you have to select one option or two options and select accordingly. Underline keywords in the question. What you have to underline or what you have to actually understand is to underline something that you think is important and that will help you to catch up with the right answer. Quickly think of the topic related to synonyms, topic related synonyms and paraphrases. So obviously some, you can think about synonyms and some paraphrasing also. Please look at the eighth point clearly. Wait until you have listened to all the options and never write the first answer you hear. Okay, let me tell you a trick. Whenever you're doing MCQs, ठीक है, आप क्वेश्चन का सीक्वेंस को आप कैच कर लेंगे, बट जब ऑप्शंस की बात आती है, सो व्हाट हैपेंस कि जो द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन दैट दे विल टॉक अबाउट, आपको लगेगा वही सही ऑप्शन है, लेकिन प्लीज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो इनकरेक्ट होता है. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दे विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इज मोस्टली इनकरेक्ट. So never write the first answer you hear. Okay, keep on listening till all the options are covered. Okay, always remember that the speakers and the questions are trying to trick you. If a question has three choices, normally all three answers are mentioned. Yes, अगर question में three choices आपको दिए हुए हैं और उसमें कुछ keywords हैं, so वो सारे keywords you will be listening to, but you have to find out which is the still correct answer. Students क्या करते हैं, उन्होंने कीवर्ड सुना और उनको लगेगा ठीक है यही करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, बिकॉज सारे कीवर्ड्स वो बोलते हैं. they will speak everything, they will talk about everything. Okay, so please listen to it carefully, and this is one of the reason, that's the reason I have told you कि आप रिपीट करें. रिपीट करने में कोई हार्म नहीं है, जितना आप रिपीट करोगे उतना ज्यादा आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक्चुअली इंप्रूव होएगी. और लिसनिंग एक ऐसा सेक्शन है वेर इन स्टूडेंट्स के आराम से 7 बैंड्स आते हैं, 7+ बैंड्स आते हैं. सो डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू डू दैट. नाउ often the speaker talks about events, things, information related to past में, present and future. Yes, जब आपको 3 options दिए गए होते हैं ना, so the speaker will say I was planning to go to market. अब मार्केट आपके कीवर्ड में है, एक ऑप्शन में है, बट द स्पीकर ने क्या कहा, आई वॉज. तो स्पीकर पास्ट के बारे में बात कर रहा था और क्वेश्चन था आपका कि प्रेजेंट में क्या हुआ. ओके, वेयर डिड, लेट्स से वेयर डिड जॉन वेंट. ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज सिंपल, वेयर डिड जॉन वेंट. आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में मार्केट एक कीवर्ड है, और जब आपने रिकॉर्डिंग को सुना, आपने ये सुना आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू गो टू मार्केट. तो मार्केट सुनेंगे हम टिक मार देंगे, नो दिस इज रॉन्ग. वो वॉज था तो इट वॉज पास्ट, बट द क्वेश्चन इज वेयर डिड ही वेंट, एंड देन जॉन विल कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग. I was actually planning to go to market, but I thought, I can go to market later on also. And then finally, I decided to go to a shopping mall. So I decided to go to a shopping mall. So your answer is shopping mall actually. Where did he went? He actually went to shopping mall. So listen to all the options carefully and find out that the question is about past, present or future. Be careful with words like but. If you, अगर आपने मेरे को अभी सुना होगा, I also used a word called but. I was planning to go to the market, but then I decided that I should not go to the market, and then I finally went to the shopping mall. So the words like but, however, not sure, really, वहां पे कुछ ना कुछ information change होती है. So be careful with that also. Never do a mistake of just listening to a keyword. Okay, this is again I'm telling you, never do a mistake of selecting the answer on the basis of keyword. Okay. So I'm going to play a recording of multiple choice questions. Listen carefully, and anyone who is not able to catch up with the speed of IELTS, okay, if you're not able to catch up with the IELTS speed, I'm going to show you a solution that you can actually try to do, which is, just a second, I'm opening. Okay, you all can see my screen. So let's say if anyone who is not able to catch up what they're listening, what they're speaking, so please you can on your subtitles. Okay, keep your subtitles on because it will help you to understand what the speaker is talking about. So first thing, if anyone who is not able to catch up, आप अपने subtitles को on कर सकते हैं. And the next thing, settings में जाएं. सेटिंग्स में जाके जो स्पीड है अभी नॉर्मल है, आप उसको रिड्यूस भी कर सकते हैं. तो रिड्यूस करने से क्या होगा, दैट जो रिकॉर्डिंग होगी उसकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगी. Questions 1 to 5. Okay. If you look at this, now I have my keywords on. Just a second.
Do you have her direct line?
Yes, it's in my contacts somewhere. Right, here we are. Oh.
Okay, so anyone who actually has problem in catching up with the speed, आप settings में जाके अपनी speed को reduce कर सकते हैं. जब आपके आंसर्स ठीक होने लगेंगे एंड देन आप अपनी स्पीड को नॉर्मल कर दें जो रेगुलर स्पीड है. कैप्शंस को आप बाद में बंद कर सकते हैं, क्लोज कर सकते हैं जब आपके आंसर्स ठीक होने लगेंगे. ओके, गोइंग टू नाउ MCQs. Okay, part 2 is a single speaker or two speakers?
Single speaker.
Very good.
You will hear a woman giving a presentation of...
Okay, so before I actually play, okay, let's follow them only.
Part 2. You will hear a woman giving a presentation about a holiday on an island in Britain that her company organizes. First, you have some time to look at questions 11 to 14. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 14.
Good morning. My name's Erica Matthews. and I'm the owner of Matthews Island Holidays, a company set up by my parents. Thank you for coming to this presentation, in which I hope to interest you in what we have to offer. We're a small family-run company, and we believe in the importance of the personal touch. So we don't aim to compete with other companies on the number of customers. What we do is build on our many years' experience, more than almost any other rail holiday company, to ensure we provide perfect holidays in a small number of destinations, which we've got to know extremely well. I'll start with our 6-day Isle of Man holiday. This is a fascinating island in the Irish Sea, with Wales to the south, England to the east, Scotland to the north, and Northern Ireland to the west. Our holiday starts in Heysham, where your tour manager will meet you. Then you'll travel by ferry to the Isle of Man. Some people prefer to fly from Luton instead, and another popular option is to go by train to Liverpool and take a ferry from there. You have 5 nights in the hotel, and the price covers 5 breakfasts and dinners, and lunch on the 3 days when there are organised trips. Day 4 is free, and most people have lunch in a cafe or restaurant in Douglas. The price of the holiday includes the ferry to the Isle of Man, all travel on the island, the hotel, and the meals I've mentioned. Incidentally, we try to make booking our holidays as simple and fair as possible. So, unlike with many companies, the price is the same whether you book 6 months in advance or at the last minute, and there's no supplement for single rooms in hotels. If you make a booking, then need to change the start date, for example because of illness, you're welcome to change to an alternative date or a different tour for a small administrative fee.
Before
Okay. Okay, I'll be coming to the right answers. The right answer for 11. Kainat, can you tell me the correct answer?
A.
Okay. Can you explain us also why not B and C if you remember?
Yes, ma'am. Because if we regard option B, then the speaker said that we arrange trips to less destinations, which are more meaningful. And for option C, they told that we didn't compete with our competitors for more customers. So I
Okay.
thought that A would be most appropriate.
Yes, A is the right answer. She is correct. And let me tell you, C option उन्होंने सबसे पहले बोला था. यहाँ पे लिखा है has more customers, but the speaker said that we do not compete with the customers. And the customer keyword has been used. So please be careful with that. And then B option says arranges holidays to more destinations, whereas the speaker said to smaller and to less destinations. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Okay. Adesh,
Yes, ma'am.
12th.
12th, ma'am. I think it's Luton. C answer.
Luton. Okay, no, C is not the correct answer. Anusha,
Ma'am, it's B.
which one? B. Can you tell me why? Yes, B is the correct answer. Why?
Ma'am, I don't exactly remember, but he said that he mentioned this place.
Okay, mention the place. Nahi, ye nahi. I want the correct answer. Anyone wants to share their thoughts on this?
And he said that the manager meet you there.
The man will meet you there. Yes. Okay, in the beginning, you will, then they said actually Hesham, the place where the tour manager will meet in the beginning. Okay, 13th. Okay, 13th, Anurit.
Ma'am, A.
13th, A. Why not B and C?
Ma'am, maybe he said that for 4 days and 3 lunch will be given.
Free lunch, yes. Dilreet. Dilreet, 14th.
Ma'am, I'm not sure, but maybe C, transferring to another.
You are very good. It's correct. Okay, the right answer for 14th is transferring to another date. And how it is this? Because the speaker said that, like B option, they said that we do not charge anything else even if you book at a short notice. But they said if you're not arriving at the same date, there is a bit of administrative fees, which is your customers have to pay extra for transferring to another date. Okay, anyone has any doubt? कोई भी क्वेश्चन अगर समझ में भी नहीं आया, please ask me. I hope clear. If you have any question, you're free to ask between, you can interrupt me also and you can ask me any question. Okay. Okay, I will be continuing the same section, and this is again a fill in the blank kind of. And let's try to do this because it has day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay, it's kind of a table. So shall we continue? I'm going to play this. Oh, I think the audio here is
Parliament called and it will
Now listen and answer questions 15 to 20.
Okay, so what does the holiday consist of? Well, on day 1, you'll arrive in time for a short introduction by your tour manager, followed by dinner in the hotel. The dining room looks out at the river, close to where it flows into the harbour, and there's usually plenty of activity going on. On day 2, you'll take the coach to the small town of Peel, on the way calling in at the Tynwald exhibition. The Isle of Man isn't part of the United Kingdom, and it has its own parliament called Tynwald. It's claimed that this is the world's oldest parliament that's still functioning, and that it dates back to 979. However, the earliest surviving reference to it is from 1422, so perhaps it isn't quite as old as it claims. Day 3, we have a trip to the mountain Snaefell. This begins with a leisurely ride along the promenade in Douglas in a horse-drawn tram. Then you board an electric train which takes you to the fishing village of Laxey. From there, it's an 8-kilometre ride in the Snaefell Mountain Railway to the top. Lunch will be in the cafe, giving you spectacular views of the island. Day 4 is free for you to explore using the pass which we'll give you. So you won't have to pay for travel on local transport or for entrance to the island's heritage sites. Or you might just want to take it easy in Douglas and perhaps do a little light shopping. The last full day, day 5, is for some people the highlight of the holiday, with a ride on the steam railway from Douglas to Port Erin. After some time to explore, a coach will take you to the headland that overlooks the Caff of Man, a small island just off the coast. From there, you continue to Castletown, which used to be the capital of the Isle of Man and its medieval castle. And on day 6, it's back to the ferry or the airport if you flew to the island, and time to go home. Now, I'd like to tell you a bit.
okay. Anyone who was not able to catch up with the audio or with the recording? Anyone faced problems? Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's discuss the answers. Navi, do you know the answer for 15?
And maybe river.
Maybe nahi hai. Only river. Yes, river is the right answer. Okay.
Okay,
Kainat 16.
1422.
Very good. Okay. Dilreet 17.
Ma'am, I didn't get the 17th.
No problem. 18th pata hai?
Maybe mountain.
Okay. 18th is actually pass. You will get a pass actually, they said.
Okay, ma'am.
No problem. Anureet, were you able to do 17th?
No, ma'am, 17th I didn't get.
ठीक है कोई हुआ 19 या 20 में से?
Ma'am, 19th may be late.
Okay, 19 is steam.
Team,
Okay,
yes, ma'am. 19 is team.
yes. 17 Anusha?
Ma'am, mountain.
No, it is top. I'll come back. And how about 20th? The
Ma'am,
last
is it
one.
capital?
Adesh?
It's town, ma'am.
No, Adesh, it is capital. Let's quickly go through. See, hotel dining room has a view of the river. Okay. Day 2. Tin World may have been founded in 1422 and it was easy actually. Day 3. This was quite complicated actually because they use the word promenade, they use the word lexi. Now train to the top of Snaefell. Mountain to Thai, but now Snaefell is itself a mountain. So she specifically used train to the top. Okay, company provides. Now they were actually saying, I think for sightseeing or people can go around. So company provides a pass for local transport and heritage sites. And I think she also mentioned that they don't have to spend on anything from their end. 19th, take the steam railway train. If you remember, she clearly said steam railway from Douglas to Port Erin. This was clearly used. Steam word. Then 20, free time. Then coach to Castletown, which was a former. She said, I think old and did not use the word former. Capital. So it's a capital. Okay. So stopping over here, anyone has any doubt? Ideally, I will be telling you, I will be actually sharing a link with all of you. And that will be your task for today. In that link, some listening test I'll be sharing from YouTube. So you have to do that complete listening. Only fill in the blanks and multiple choice questions. Okay. Only fill in the blanks and multiple choice questions. You're going to send me your answers also. Okay. You have to send me your answers. You can check the answers in the last. But I need to know how much score you have got. So ideally, you will have 10 questions in part 1, 10 questions in part 4 also, because part 4 is also a fill in the blank. Part 4 is difficult. If any one of you facing problem, please do not hesitate to repeat. Last में जब अपने answers check करोगे, do send it to me. Okay, Kainat, what I am saying that I will be sharing one of the link with all of you as a assignment for today, and you have to do part 1, part 4 and multiple choice questions from that particular listening. Please write the answers in capital letters. Develop a habit that you will start writing answers in capital letter and use pencil. Do not use pen in your IELTS. You have to use pencil only. Share your answers with me. You can check your answers once your recording actually finishes, and just share your score with me. It should not be out of 40, but I just want to see how many answers are correct and how many are wrong. Clear, everyone?
Ma'am, please tell what you said earlier. Actually,
What earlier? Actually, I think when you disconnected, I was discussing that same fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, where we have to share the answers with you?
Adesh, you will send me WhatsApp. I think everyone, if you do not have my number, I'm just putting my number on the chat window.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
everyone also, actually, I don't have number of everyone. So please drop me. I think I have Kainat and I have Navi, Anusha, but and just send me one WhatsApp also so that I can save your number and then I'll share the link with you. I'm looking for good answers. बस एक ही चीज है, आप repeat करना. Do not hesitate to repeat अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow's class I will be covering your maps and matching heading of listening. And tomorrow I will have a speaking. Whom did I told for tomorrow speaking? Yesterday. Okay, let's take up Navi. Navi, tomorrow you're speaking, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So 5:45 Navi आपकी speaking होगी कल. And then Anusha is done. Then I will, Kainat is there. Okay. So I'll take up a sequence and then I will ensure that on daily basis I'm doing your speakings. Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Bye.